Imagine Sarah, a single mother of two, had $10,000 saved up in her bank account. She felt good about having a little nest egg but wasn't sure what to do with it. Then, her car broke down and she had a medical emergency. The unexpected expenses wiped out her savings, leaving her stressed and worried. Sarah realized she needed a better plan for her money. Many people find themselves in a similar situation. You might have $10,000 saved, which is great, but if you don't use it wisely, it can quickly disappear. The good news is, with the right steps, you can make that money work for you and improve your financial situation. In this video, we will guide you through 5 smart things to do if you have $10,000 in the bank. These steps are designed to help you secure your financial future, reduce stress, and even grow your wealth. These tips will set you on the right path. Let's get started and make sure your $10,000 makes a real difference in your life. Number 1. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is money saved for unexpected events like job loss, medical emergencies, or urgent car repairs. It's important because life is unpredictable, and having a financial safety net can save you from stress and hardship. Experts recommend having 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an emergency fund. This means if your monthly expenses are $2,000, you should aim to save between $6,000 and $12,000. Start by setting aside a portion of your $10,000 for this purpose. Where should you keep your emergency fund? The best place is in a high-yield savings account. These accounts earn more interest than regular savings accounts, helping your money grow over time. Another option is a money market account, which also offers good interest rates and easy access to your funds. To build your emergency fund, start by calculating your monthly expenses, including rent, groceries, utilities, and other essentials. Save a part of your income every month until you reach your goal. Remember, this fund is for true emergencies, so avoid using it for non-essential purchases. By creating an emergency fund, you can protect yourself and your family from financial surprises and ensure peace of mind. Number 2. Pay off high-interest debt. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, can be a heavy burden. The interest rates are often very high, which means you end up paying a lot more than you borrowed. Getting rid of this kind of debt should be a top priority because it's costing you money every month. Here's what you can do. First, make a list of all your debts, including the interest rates and balances for each. Focus on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first. This is known as the avalanche method. By doing this, you'll save more money on interest over time. If you find it easier to stay motivated by seeing quick progress, you can use the snowball method. This involves paying off the smallest debt first, regardless of the interest rate, and then moving on to the next smallest. This method gives you a sense of accomplishment as you eliminate debts one by one. Use a portion of your $10,000 to pay off or reduce your high-interest debt. Not only will this save you money on interest, but it will also improve your credit score and reduce financial stress. By tackling your high-interest debt now, you'll free up more money for other financial goals, like saving and investing, and create a more stable financial future. Number 3. Start investing for retirement. Maria, a young professional who decided to start investing for retirement when she had $10,000 in the bank. She knew that the earlier she started, the more her money could grow over time. By the time she retired, her small investments had grown into a comfortable nest egg, thanks to the power of compound interest. Investing for retirement is crucial because it ensures you have enough money to live comfortably when you stop working. The sooner you start, the better, because your investments have more time to grow. Begin by looking into retirement accounts like a 401k or an individual retirement account, IRA. A 401k is often provided by employers and sometimes comes with matching contributions, which is like free money. An IRA is an account you can open on your own with a bank or investment firm. With your $10,000, consider putting some money into a retirement account. If you have a 401k at work, make sure you're contributing enough to get the full employer match. If you don't have a 401k, or if you want to save more, open an IRA. You can choose between a traditional IRA, which gives you a tax break now, or a Roth IRA, which gives you tax-free withdrawals in retirement. When investing, choose a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets based on your age and risk tolerance. Younger people can afford to take more risks with stocks, while those closer to retirement might prefer safer investments like bonds. By starting to invest for retirement now, you're taking a big step towards a secure and comfortable future. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow, giving you peace of mind and financial stability. Number 4. Diversify investments. Imagine Alex, who had $10,000 and put all his money into a single stock. When the company faced a downturn, Alex lost a significant portion of his investment. He realized that putting all his eggs in one basket was risky. Alex decided to diversify his investments, spreading his money across different types of assets, which helped him protect his savings and reduce risk. Diversifying your investments means spreading your money across various types of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This is important because it reduces the risk of losing all your money if one investment performs poorly. Start by dividing your $10,000 into different investment types. Here's a simple way to do it. Stocks. These are shares of companies. Investing in stocks can offer high returns, but they also come with higher risk. Consider putting a portion of your money into a diversified stock market index fund, which spreads your investment across many companies. Bonds. Bonds are loans you give to companies or governments in exchange for interest payments. They are generally safer than stocks but offer lower returns. Allocating some of your money to bond funds can provide stability to your portfolio. Real estate. Investing in real estate can be a great way to diversify. You don't have to buy a property. You can invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs, which are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate. Mutual funds and ETFs. These are funds that pool money from many investors to buy a diversified mix of stocks, bonds, or other assets. They are a good way to get instant diversification with a smaller amount of money. Diversifying your investments helps you spread your risk and increase the chances of having a stable and growing portfolio. This strategy can help protect your money from market fluctuations and ensure a smoother path to financial growth. Number 5. Invest in yourself. Consider Jane, who used part of her $10,000 savings to take a professional course in her field. This investment in her skills paid off when she landed a higher-paying job shortly after completing the course. By investing in herself, Jane not only improved her career prospects but also increased her income. Investing in yourself is one of the best ways to use your money because it can lead to higher earnings and better opportunities. Here are some simple ways to invest in yourself. Education and skills. Take courses, attend workshops, or get certifications that can enhance your skills and knowledge. This can make you more valuable in your current job or open doors to new career opportunities. Health and well-being. Spend money on activities and resources that improve your health, such as a gym membership, healthy food, or mental health support. Being healthy can increase your productivity and overall happiness. Networking. Attend industry conferences, join professional groups, or take part in networking events. Building a strong professional network can lead to new job opportunities and valuable connections. Personal development. Invest in books, online courses, or hobbies that enrich your life and build new skills. Continuous learning keeps you adaptable and open to new opportunities. By investing in yourself, you're laying the foundation for a more prosperous and fulfilling future. It's an investment that can pay off in many ways, both personally and professionally. Each of these steps is a powerful move towards financial stability and growth. By taking action now, You can make your $10,000 work harder for you and set yourself up for long-term success. Remember, it's not just about having money in the bank. It's about using it wisely to achieve your financial goals. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.